Once we have the floor plan into the standards for our particular company, then we're able to start working with it to do different things that often happen. One of them is to put it into a format where it can be exported quickly and easily to other programs such as Revit or Chief Architect or SketchUp or Bentley, MicroStation, something like that. And those happen in many different ways. And I'm just gonna we'll do one version of it where we create our own separate export file. And that happens. And now you'll see everything is in model space again. Our units are right, but it's very, very small. In reality, this is like a detail size. You'll see that it's only 9 inches across. Okay, so we've made sort of a image detail of it. Of course, somebody could scale it if they knew what they wanted to do and things like that. Okay, so we're able to do that and work with it. Another thing that we do is create other drawings. For instance, a space plan and a roof plan from the model that we had over here. So here was a basic model, and then we can make a copy of that and do other things to it. And while we're doing those things, we'll get to work on blocks and dynamic blocks. Look at this cool thing. We can change sizes very quickly within our drawing. Okay, and pick the most appropriate size for our drawing, which I'm going to leave it at 4 feet. So we can use blocks and we can do attributes where we can type things in. So we'll be practicing some of those things, and we can even do 2 things at once in the same image and have it show up appropriately in different viewports on different layouts. And we can even start changing line weights and transparencies. So this is going to give us a chance to work with models and presenting them in many different ways in AutoCAD. It's pretty powerful what we're able to do. So as an example in this one, if I go to the paper, you'll see that there is the ability, oops, I have to reset my line weights. There's the ability to set viewport transparencies for different things in it. So we can work in viewports to make the view like we want it to be. Okay, because in a roof plan, the walls underneath are usually light. Okay, and in a space plan, we can freeze the roof in this viewport. So if I go into the viewport, you'll see I froze the roof layer in that viewport. So those are we'll be working with blocks and things like that, blocks and viewport control, copying and pasting and getting things ready for export. So kind of cool stuff. There we go.